In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively add a post list sidebar to your web page using a straightforward method that will enhance your website's navigational features and reader engagement. The first thing you'll want to do is open your editor. Once you're there, you'll notice a panel on your left-hand side filled with various options and tools for editing your page. This panel is your primary workspace, where we will make all necessary changes to insert new elements into your design. As you familiarize yourself with this panel, it becomes easier to quickly locate and use its features. Now, direct your attention to the option labeled Add Elements. This will be your portal to a wide array of components you can include in your web page to customize and sophisticate the user experience. Upon clicking Add Elements, you'll see a drop-down or a list appear, showcasing different sections you can add to your site. Among the choices, find and select the section titled Blog. This category exclusively focuses on blog-focused elements, precisely what we need to incorporate our post list sidebar. Once Blog is chosen, all blog-related components will be displayed, making it simple to identify and select what you wish to add to your web page. With those blog options now open, look for Post List Sidebar. This element is superb for creating a dynamic list of your blog posts, allowing your visitors easy access to various articles, thereby improving your site's navigation. Click and hold it, then simply drag it over to the area of your web page where you envision it best fitting. This could be on the side for easy accessibility or anywhere you see it would enhance your site's layout. Dragging elements is an intuitive action. Make sure it snaps into place exactly as you like it before letting go to drop it in. Once your new post list sidebar element is on the canvas where you want it, it's time to personalize it according to your blog's needs and aesthetic. You'll see a little button that says Settings on or near the sidebar. Clicking this will open a window or panel that offers various customization options. Here you can tweak what the sidebar displays to best serve your site's visitors. You might decide to show recent posts to keep readers updated with your latest content, choose to display categories to help them navigate topics of interest quickly, or highlight tags that direct them through different themes across your blog. Taking the time to customize these features ensures that the sidebar not only matches the look and feel of your web page, but also enhances the user experience by making navigation seamless and intuitive. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added and customized a post list sidebar to your web page. This addition is not just about aesthetics. It's a strategic upgrade to improve engagement and navigation on your site. Thank you for watching, and happy blogging.